On average, pay-per-click with Google Ads allows you to convert 50% more visitors than with organic traffic. Unfortunately, so many advertisers miss out on this huge opportunity by not creating engaging Google Ads that get many clicks and convert many visitors. In this video, you will learn 7 powerful strategies for crafting engaging Google Ads for your products or services. If you still find the task daunting and need more help, click the link in the description. The first copy of your ad may not be the best performing one. You only achieve your best possible Google Ads campaign by testing different versions of the same ad to see which one works best with your target audience. With a different wording in each ad, focus on the value of your product or service. Why and how the product or service you offer will help them. More specifically, you could test a you-focused ad. These ads answer the specific question, what's in it for me? Me referring to your target audience. Your ad version could also be a problem-solving one, which focuses on solving a specific issue. Another way is to be creative by trying to appeal to your audience very uniquely. If you want to put out the best possible Google Ads campaign, you need to test your ads to arrive at the best ads for your campaign. In addition to testing different ads types, which we saw in the first short of this series, you will want to test changing different elements in your ads. The many elements that you can test changing are your ad heading, your ad subheadings, your ad body text, your ad imagery, your ad call to action, your ad color choices. Test changing each element one at a time. Make small changes to make sure you know exactly what change cause what effect, whether it negatively or positively affects your ad's performance. If you don't use power words into your Google Ads copies, you will bore your audience. Power words make your ads more interesting, draw your audience in, and get them engaged with your content. You is the most powerful word for generating interest and engagement from your audience. You allows you to speak to your audience and focus on their needs. That's why ads where you is appropriately used tend to get more clicks. For example, are you tired of regaining weight tends to generate more engagement than experts at weight loss. Your target audience is more likely to engage with your ads and click on them when you appeal to their emotions. Anger, fear, disgust, and happiness are powerful emotions to get your audience to click on your Google Ads. There are a few steps you can take to start appealing to your audience. One of them is to think about your audience, who they are, what they are interested in, etc. The best affiliate marketers anticipate their target audience needs and questions. When crafting your ads, think about these few questions your audience might ask themselves to get started. How much does your product or service cost? What do I get for the price? Is there a warranty on the product? How long does it take to get the product, etc.? Questions such as these help you provide your audience with answers they may have. With all the information they need about your product, they are more likely to convert. When your ads display URLs have top keywords in them, they are more likely to appear in front of the right audience, and they will tend to rank better for those keywords. Customize your display URLs for your audience. This way your ads will tend to appear in relevant search results, and you will reach more potential customers. Focusing on the benefits and or value of the products that you're promoting helps your business show your target audience that your product is the best choice and why. This way you help your audience understand or see the benefits that they will get from choosing your product. Benefits are significant selling points. Highlighting them helps you convince your audience to go for your products.